Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Facebook dating not showing. To know how to fix Facebook dating not showing, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. App settings. Here in this page you will go to click for you will go to click here Facebook, and then in this page you will click force stop. Then you will go to click storage. After that, in this page you will go to click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data, and when you will end this you can turn off your phone so that you can know how to fix Facebook dating not showing. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.